Hi guys, it's Chanel here with another review. Today I've got the KLM Boeing 777-300ER in the Skyteam livery. I actually got this after one of my mates got this model, and when I got it I was just in love with it. It is a fantastic model, so I already know what it looks like. I just had to add it to my collection because everything about it, the paint job, the livery, just looks fantastic. So obviously it's by JC Wings, 1:400 die cast. Just going into the box. It's a pretty straightforward box. Yeah, so I'll just get right into it. Oh, this is amazing. Just zoom in a bit more. There we are. So that's the model 777-300ER. The registration for this one is, sorry I don't have it with me at the moment. PHBVD. It doesn't really show that much in the video, but the paint job is really slick. It's not really metallic, but it's like a sort of shiny silver, which looks really good. Let's try to get some close-ups of this. So running through the model now. Very nice mold from JC Wings. So up front we've got the cockpit, very detailed cockpit. Sorry, focus. Not quite sure what it actually says. Oh yeah, National Park. Must be how KLM name their planes. I'm sorry, not familiar with that. Yeah, very detailed front doors. Running through, we've got KLM logo below the Skyteam. Really detailed model. The engines as well. Really nice. Running through to the back of the plane. And there we have it. Yeah, I'm really happy with this model. It's got the bumps on the top, which is again a nice touch. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. If you've got this specific model, or if you're thinking about getting it. But it was actually a reasonable price, so that's another reason why I picked it up. Yeah, and 777-300ER, my favourite plane. I do want to get a normal KLM in its classic blue livery as well. But this one, again, I can't really explain the shiny silver fuselage, but it just looks awesome. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Thumbs up and subscribe. I'll hopefully have some more videos coming up, and thanks for watching.